Hi, I'm Peter. I'm here at the Auckland Home Show showing off our new range of Danish furniture. Come and have a look. This is our new range for this year. It's our new black aluminium frame. It comes in 4 different sizes or 2 different tabletops. This one is an aluminium tabletop as well as an aluminium frame in black. These come in 4 sizes, 90 by 90, 1.6, 2.1 or 2.7 long. They all come with these beautiful aluminium chairs. This one is petrol, but there are 13 different colours you can choose from to mix and match in your own home to suit your exterior colours. The other ones come in a bamboo top, again in the same 4 sizes. Beautiful bamboo top, and again the chairs, matching chairs in different colours with bamboo armrests. Very comfortable. A nice design. So our latest things as well is our new bar leaners. This again is the aluminium frame. They come in 2 sizes, 90 by 90 or 1.6 long. Available in aluminium top or again in beautiful bamboo. The bar stools that accompany them, again available in 13 different colours. Very comfortable to sit on, very robust, all weather durable and all have a UV protection. This is our biggest selling table of our whole range. This is our leaf table, very uniquely designed, beautiful pattern. Again, solid bamboo top. The chairs that accompany them are a solid steel chair with or without armrests. They come in, again, 13 different colours to suit your exterior colours. If you'd like any more information on our full range, come and see us down at the Auckland Home Show or go to our website www.danishfurniture.nz.